Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome to the fam. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be testing out something that has been seen all over the internet. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this because y'all know I love foundation. If you hear that licking noise, it's him. It's always him, just so you know. I love you, but stop licking. So, this is the Silisponge, and we are gonna dive into it today and see if this really is worth it. I got this guy on Amazon. I think I got like a pack of 3 for like $9 or something. Not expensive, but honestly, if this performs better than a brush and wastes less product or a sponge or something like that, then this might be worth the purchase. So we're gonna see. Supposedly, this is going to not waste any product because when you use a sponge or a brush, it soaks up a little bit of your foundation, and this doesn't do that because it's silicone. So yeah, we're gonna breast implant it up today and see how this goes. If you would like to join the fam, click the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you. Turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload videos onto YouTube. If you would like to follow me on social media, my social media accounts are all Kayleecarmel except for Twitter, which is Kayleecarmel4, because apparently there's already a Kayleecarmel on Twitter. So that's you. Thanks a lot. If you would like to see how the Silisponge performs and if it really does save you product and if it works, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have already primed my face with my Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, Illuminating Primer, whatever it's called, the one that came in BoxyCharm. So that's what I have on my face. That's the only thing I have on. I moisturize and stuff too. So we're gonna go in with one of my tried and trues, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. I have the shade Snow because I'm a snowy white bitch. I know how this performs. I'm just gonna pump one pump on the back of my hand and we're gonna see how far this bitch goes. I'm gonna take my little Silisponge here and just dip it in. It totally feels like a breast implant, not gonna lie. Not that I know what that feels like because I don't have them, but you know. Oh God. Okay, do I blend? Do I slap? Do I? Okay. This feels so wrong. I feel like I'm being violated. Okay, so it does make it stretch really far. This is really hard to blend. It definitely pushes the product into the skin. I don't know. But that stretched kind of a long way, right? It's just awkward and it kind of hurts to slap yourself in the face 500 times. And look, I didn't even use that much product. I barely put any on here. So let's see if we can keep going here. This is very tedious work. Yeah, this is like practically science. So this is like the closest I'll ever come to being a scientist, guys. It's really hard to get around the nose. Oh man. This is like a workout. Oh my God. I'm picking up a little more. Still have not even used that full pump. It's just hard to get it to blend together. You really have to like slap yourself in the face a lot. Like I would not do this on a daily basis, ever. Oh my God. This is kind of tragic. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it is a lot of work to get it to blend. And like, oh, gross. Okay. If you like wipe it, oh my God, that was gross. It's so hard to get in the crack of your nose and it just like cakes up right there. And I know this foundation doesn't do that because I've worn it so many times. Oh my God, getting around the nose is literally impossible. And we still gotta do concealer and all that jizz. What the fuck? Come on, get in there. I feel like I'm trying to force my 2-year-old child that's non-existent to eat broccoli. Like, this is terrible. Oh! It's like, no, bitch. I will not blend onto your face. Is it better to smear it? No? No, it's definitely not better to smear it. Oh, it's not better. It is not better to smear it. Because then it just sits on top of your skin. You literally have to beat the shit out of yourself in order for this to work. I mean, yeah, the product goes far, but I still used almost 2 pumps of foundation, which is what I normally would use. So I feel like that's not saving me so much, and I'm having to work 100 times freaking harder than I ever would. Yeah, see, like any crevices that you might have, get rid of them before using a Silisponge. You just want to hope that your face is a very flat pancake. Now I've used 2 full pumps of foundation, so I feel like this didn't even save me that much product. All right, let's try concealer. Because foundation was so much fun that I have to move on and try concealer. So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Again, I know how this performs because I've used it 100 freaking times. So I'm just gonna put it under my eyes like I normally would. This is like seriously a beating. Like, you think that you're rough with your beauty blender? Girl, this takes some work. This takes some muscle. Shoot, let's do it here too. Might as well. Might as well just go all out. Okay, so let's start blending and see what happens. Well, this is actually not blending out too bad. Nothing will go in the crack of my chin with this. Like, try to get in the crack of my chin right now with this thing. You can't. You just can't. Let's check the nose. Oh, it's just like sitting on top of my skin. Like, you literally have to beat it into your face. And even then, like, look, it's like separated on the tip of my nose. This is not good, guys. This is not going as planned. Okay, the forehead, like, flatter parts of your face are not so bad. Like, here was fine. My forehead, not terrible. I mean, it's not great, but oh God, it's kind of looking like dog shit, but whatever. Yeah, the under eye is hard. You gotta like turn it so it goes like it fits in the little cracks. My under eye has never taken a worse beating in my life. That really packs on the coverage though, Jesus. Look at that. It's so hard to blend though. It is so hard to blend. Like, I thought I was good at blending. Let's just bring it up onto the eyeball and smear it everywhere, because what else are we gonna do at this point? Sometimes I just sit here and wonder, why do I do these things? Winston, what do you think of my face? Does my makeup look pretty? Did we like the Silisponge?
No!
Okay, so it's a no from Winston. How about you? You're nicer. What do you think? He's checking it out, okay. Did you like it?
Nope.
That's a wrap.